I'm in Miami and I'm so excited. Hey y'all, I am back, kind of, sorta. No, I'm back. It looks different, right? This is definitely not Chicago. I am in Miami. I am visiting some family, just getting away from the north. And I'm so happy. It's hot, it's steamy. I'm sure you can see the little layer of sweat, but I'm loving it. First of all, palm trees. I'm a Florida girl to the core. I was born in Miami, but I call Tallahassee my hometown because that's where I was primarily raised. But I have a lot of family on both sides, mom and dad, here in Miami. So I'm really excited to be here. And yeah, my babies will get to meet more family. We actually met with my great-grandmother. I won't say met with, that sounds so formal. We went to go see my great-grandmother yesterday, which is the girl's great-great-grandmother. That's pretty epic. Hey, excuse my hair, y'all. Yeah, I just didn't feel like it. I didn't feel like it. Come on here. Say hey. Hey. So she's loving having an outside space to play in, and I'm loving that for her. Mom has a pool, so she get to get in some water. We haven't been to a beach, a pool, nothing, thanks to the pandemic. So that's long overdue, but I ain't gonna ramble. Y'all will see more. I did not bring my sewing machine. I didn't bring my vinyl cutter. I didn't bring any work other than my laptop, so I will be doing some stuff, you know, on that front, maybe updating my website, my blog, and filming more again. But I kind of just needed to step back. And if you follow me, you probably see me posting a lot of different stuff, but I was just overwhelmed. Yeah, I got a grocery haul video coming shortly. I'm going to edit it when the girls take their nap. It's very simple and straightforward. That's something that I definitely messed up with. I have like 4 other videos filmed, but come from the street, honey. Come from the street. Where'd she go? I have 4 other videos filmed, and I have had no time to edit. That's why y'all haven't seen anything. I have had 0 editing time, and sorry, I keep getting out of the camera. Come back here where I can see you, honey. Yeah, I've had no time to edit, and I realized I keep making stuff complicated. So more just straight up filming, less editing. That's what I have to do. And stop doing stuff in the format where I have to edit so much. But yeah, got stuff coming. Sorry, my child kept running too close to the street for my liking. But anyway, I don't even remember what I was talking about. But yeah, grocery haul video coming up next. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I am back. I promise I am back. Thanks, y'all.